said that she hate me, I hate me too. I can always tell when you're lying, girl, you're see.
Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell, we cleaned up the all too fatty L.
I saw you, hi, it's nice to meet you.
I recently got a power washer, so we cleaned her all up here. She looks so good, the shiny black. Black definitely shows blemishes and scratches more, but we got all cleaned up, even like under, well, okay, that's dirty again because I rode, but all on the underside, the undercarriage all cleaned up, wheels all cleaned up. She looks so good, so we're gonna go out, get a quick ride in. So guys, we're doing a quick solo ride today. No riding with my buddy Owen on his DRZ today. Just me. This is a quick after work ride. I've actually got these birds gloves on to show my support. We have a playoff game tomorrow against the Dirty Giants, so hopefully we win, but I'm actually going to change these because these have no grip on the bars. So let's do that and then go rip some wheelies. Much better. Whew. Guys, I was just watching Brian 636's newest hood eats, and man, is his CRF 450 are dirty. I love a 450. The thing's just got so much power. We got our 250. It's all good. We're still rip this bad girl. Shortcut. And we'll just sneak in up here. Oh yeah. Woo! Nothing like some cold weather riding. Back to Old Faithful. Yeah, I don't know how long I'm gonna be able to ride today since it's so chilly, but I'll tell you guys what, I am excited for the Birds game tomorrow. We got the Giants. I don't know if any of you guys watch football, but I'm a huge Eagles fan. Go to a lot of the games, so I'm really hoping we get a dub and then we can go to the NFC Championship. We shall see. I just tried like pulling in the clutch to see how that feels, because I see everyone else rides like pulls in their clutch a lot when they're at balance points, so I guess that's how you do a coaster, but we'll just with it, I guess. Dude, I don't know how you guys are out here doing knee knockers. Shit feels so uncomfortable to me. Yes, sir, he likes it. She's shallow. Man, I'm just bopping Novo models right now. I needed this after a Friday, hard work put in. And I'm doing dry January, so I can't even drink. So this is my release, I guess. Dude, I need to clean my friggin' visor. I can't see anything with it down. All right, Subaru. Hit our little jump here. Oh, pigs can fly, baby. All right, let's quick see how our first gear wheelie. Hey, squirrel. First gear wheelies look. Scary. They look scary. Ooh, wet. See, this is why my bike is always dirty. Because of shit like that. You guys know how this goes. You know exactly how it goes. Gotta be careful, because some people get so mad they'll try and swerve into you, which is crazy because that's just like attempted murder, all because you're pissy that I'm going in front of you. But I'm not actually making you wait any longer in traffic. It's literally no difference for you, because look, I just come all the way up and through. Bada bing, bada boom. If you want to do that, then get a motorcycle. No one's stopping you from getting a bike. All right, I kind of want to go ride into the city a little bit, see what's going on. Drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip. Oh, nice. Oh my God, bro. I need to adjust the clutch. Woo! All right, guys. I'll see you when we're a little closer to the city. And there's a good view right here of the city, actually. I think it's right here. Look at this. Damn. Very nice. Guys, I'm still thinking about doing that little electric razor pit bike build, like from Electro & Co, the 72 volt like upgrade. And I already know there's so many trails like in and around here that I could just incognito take it. That's why I'm like so tempted to do it. It's just expensive is all, but it'll be so fun. See, here now we see the actual city. We'll see. I guess I can ride down around there. It is getting chillier by the second, people. Hope there's no cops anywhere.
Yeah, you gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
Yeah, guys, so I don't often ride in Center City. The clear reason being because you just go stoplight to stoplight, and it's like really boring and not a lot of spots to wheelie, so I just don't ride down here. But let's go down here now and see what's going on. Right here we've got City Hall, obviously. Big attraction, super old building. You can kind of circle around it. I guess that's what we'll do. Damn, the cops are out and about everywhere right now. Like everywhere.
Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood, and I still be doing it with my brother now. And I know that if I got it, I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it, they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preachin', I be living that. Taking trips, run the globe, bringing game back. Touchdown hood, happy that I came back. Take a photo with my granny for the memories. And if it's for a good cause, I'm buying 10 of these. Seem like every
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you next time though. Peace.